Hello and welcome to English Vibe, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence, clarity, and joy. I'm Tom, and I'm here to guide you step by step, day by day towards more natural, more comfortable English. In this episode, I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily and repeat whenever you want. Today, we're talking about something simple but extremely powerful. How to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people believe they must move to the UK or the USA to speak English well. But that's not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a native speaker next to you. You don't even need to study for hours. What you do need is this: small, smart, daily steps. Steps that are easy. Steps that fit into real life. Steps that slowly build confidence and fluency. So let's begin. What is shadowing? You may have heard this word before, or maybe it's new for you. Shadowing is one of the most effective techniques to improve speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple. You listen to someone speaking English like me right now, and you repeat what they say immediately, like an echo. No stopping, no translating, no checking a dictionary. Just copying the sound, the rhythm, and the tone. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat. I want to speak English fluently. Your turn. I listen to English every day. Your turn. Shadowing helps me speak better. Your turn. That's it. That's shadowing. At first, it feels strange. You may not understand everything, and that's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to move together in English. If you do it for just 5 minutes a day, you'll start speaking faster, clearer, and more naturally. A small habit with big results. How to practice English every day. Students often tell me, Tom, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know how to start. And I always say, you don't need long hours. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need the perfect moment. You just need to begin. So here are 5 simple, powerful ways to practice English every day, no matter where you live. Tip 1. Listen to English daily. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Not once a week, not just in class. Every day, listening helps you learn new vocabulary, understand real pronunciation, and feel the rhythm of natural English. How to do it? Listen to podcasts like this one. Watch English YouTube videos. Listen to music. Listen while walking, cooking, cleaning, exercising, anytime. Even if you understand only 30 to 50%, it still helps your brain grow. Make English your background sound. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Listening is great, but speaking, that's where confidence grows. Repeat sentences you hear in videos, podcasts, or short clips. For example, I want to get better at English. Repeat, I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Repeat, I'm improving little by little. Repeat, do this daily. Even 2 minutes helps. Tip 3. Think in English, one simple thought at a time. Translation slows you down. Start thinking in short English sentences. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm sleepy. I need coffee. When you go outside, the sky is blue. The air feels cold. During the day, I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home. These small thoughts build a big skill. Thinking directly in English. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good. Reading aloud is better. It trains your tongue, mouth, and voice. Choose short texts, children's stories, simple articles, dialogues, and read them slowly. Then read again, faster, then with expression. It's like a gym workout, but for your speaking muscles. Tip 5. Live with English. English should not be something you study for 30 minutes and then forget. It should be something you see and use throughout your day. Here's how. Change your phone to English. You look at your phone 50 to 100 times a day. Why not learn from it? You'll naturally learn words like settings, brightness, update, download, delete. Passive learning is powerful. Write a 3-sentence daily diary. Short, simple. Example. Today I went to work. I was tired. I watched an English video. Just 5 minutes a day can change your fluency. Record a 1-minute voice note. Speak about your day. No one else needs to hear it. Listening to yourself helps you improve faster. Join an online English group. WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram. Anywhere learners connect. Write messages. Send voice notes. Ask questions. It makes English feel alive. Watch short videos and repeat. Reels, TikTok, Shorts. They're perfect for quick learning. Watch a 20-second clip. Pause. Repeat the sentences. Copy the tone. Fast, fun, effective. Make English part of your life. Here is the real secret. Fluency is not built in one day. Fluency is built in small daily actions. Say good morning in English. Write your to-do list in English. Watch 5 minutes of English content instead of your own language. These tiny habits create confident speakers. Let English be in your phone, in your thoughts, in your voice, in your daily routine. Let it become a part of who you are, not just something you study. When that happens, that's when real fluency begins. See you next time.